In today's deep dive, we'll explore everything from rumored specs, groundbreaking upgrades, new health tracking features, cutting-edge display technology, performance hardware, improved battery life, and possible release windows. Let's take a closer look at how the Forerunner 975 is gearing up to lead the next revolution in performance-driven wearable technology. Garmin has always been at the forefront of merging durability with intelligent design, and the Forerunner 975 appears to be the next logical evolution. According to several credible leaks and industry insiders, the upcoming model is not just another upgrade, it's a potential game changer. This smartwatch is reportedly designed to cater to a wide spectrum of users, from triathletes and marathoners to those focused on health optimization and data-rich coaching, and that's what sets this apart. It's not just for runners anymore. With enhanced multi-sport support, advanced biometric tracking, and futuristic materials, the Garmin 975 might become your all-in-one health and fitness command center. The Forerunner series has always leaned into sporty and durable aesthetics, but the 975 looks to be stepping up the game with more premium materials and an emphasis on comfort. Titanium could make a comeback, offering high strength at a lighter weight, and we might also see reinforced polymer casings to retain shock resistance while reducing overall heft. The new design strategy seems focused on reducing wrist fatigue, while maximizing long-duration wear comfort perfect for marathon training or long hiking sessions. And Garmin is reportedly working on better wrist size compatibility, possibly introducing multiple casing sizes to cater to both smaller and larger wrists. That means everyone from slender-wristed sprinters to heavyweight lifters will likely find a comfortable fit. Quick swap bands are also returning, allowing users to shift styles easily from the gym to the office. A sporty silicone strap for the treadmill and a sleek leather band for meetings? Now you won't have to choose. One of the standout features of the Forerunner 965 was its AMOLED display, and based on early leaks, the Forerunner 975 will take that even further. The screen is rumored to be brighter, clearer, and better suited to outdoor use. Athletes training in full sunlight know how important screen visibility is, and Garmin appears ready to deliver. Expect thinner bezels, a more immersive display, and touch responsiveness that rivals top smartphones. With this level of clarity and interaction, your maps, workout metrics, and notifications will pop off the screen. Whether you're navigating a trail or checking your VO2 max stats, you won't miss a detail. This is more than just a screen, it's a key part of the user experience transformation, designed to blur the line between smartwatch and sports performance computer. Beneath the stylish exterior, Garmin is reportedly making big changes. The processor inside the 975 is expected to be dramatically faster, allowing for seamless app transitions, faster GPS locking, and improved responsiveness across the board. If you've ever been frustrated by lag or sluggish software on previous fitness watches, this upgrade alone will feel like a breath of fresh air. The onboard storage capacity could increase to 64 GB, which is a massive leap. That means more space for downloaded music playlists, topographic maps, training plans, and even offline podcasts or audiobooks without needing to constantly delete files or sync to your phone. One of the biggest upgrades coming to the Forerunner 975 is the new Elevate V5 heart rate sensor, which is set to revolutionize heart rate accuracy. This improved sensor is expected to deliver even more precise data whether you're at rest, mid-run, or in recovery. For athletes tracking zones or training with HR-based metrics, this is a game changer. But even more exciting is the strong possibility of ECG, electrocardiogram functionality, making its debut in the Forerunner series. This could give users access to real-time heart rhythm assessments, potentially detecting conditions like AFib. That's a major leap toward clinical-grade health tracking, and it would make the 975 not just a fitness watch, but a powerful cardiovascular monitoring tool. Garmin isn't stopping at heart health. The 975 is also rumored to include a skin temperature sensor, which can help detect stress levels, illness onset, or recovery patterns. While small, this sensor provides a wealth of insight, especially when combined with heart rate variability and sleep data. Sleep tracking is expected to become even more detailed. Garmin may introduce real-time sleep stage monitoring, breaking down your night into light, deep, REM cycles with more contextual data. If paired with smart insights, users might finally get actionable sleep coaching, not just graphs and numbers. Recovery is another major focus. Garmin might roll out readiness metrics similar to what Whoop and Aura users enjoy, giving you daily insights into whether your body is primed for a hard session or needs rest. This will help optimize training, prevent overtraining, and maximize performance gains. Garmin's reputation for multi-sport GPS precision is unmatched, and the 975 seems ready to raise the bar even higher. Dual-frequency GPS support is highly likely, bringing military-grade location accuracy even in challenging environments like dense forests or urban skyscraper corridors. This would eliminate the jagged, zigzag lines that often plague GPS tracking in tough terrain. Runners, cyclists, and hikers will get near-perfect trail mapping, helping them analyze and share workouts with confidence. Expect full support for triathlon modes, ultra-running profiles, and new sports like functional strength training, Pilates, and even winter sports. The Forerunner 975 is shaping up to be a truly versatile fitness powerhouse. Battery life has always been a strong suit for Garmin, and insiders hint that the 975 could top even its predecessor. The 965 already offered up to 23 days in smartwatch mode and 31 hours with GPS active. With possible solar charging integration, the 975 might edge even closer to multi-week battery endurance. Expect robust Bluetooth 5.3, seamless Wi-Fi syncing, and compatibility with Garmin Connect IQ apps, allowing full customization from watch faces to widgets to data fields. So, when can you get your hands on this beast of a wearable? According to current projections, the Garmin Forerunner 975 could launch in the second half of 2025, possibly around the holiday season. That would align with Garmin's product refresh cycles and give them ample time for beta testing, software, refinement, and production scale-up. As for the price, expect a premium. Based on the high-end features, the retail price could fall in the $629 to $699 range. That might sound steep, but for athletes and tech enthusiasts who demand the best, it could be a justifiable investment.